my word. You did it, Garnet. How about that?
How about that?
You caught him.
How about that?
You know what that is? That bluegill?
It's a bluegill.
It's a bluegill.
See it?
Whoa. How about that? You need a worm? Well, there you go. Take that to Daddy. He can get you another one, okay? He'll get you a big honking worm, Daddy.
Big honking fish. I got her. Watch this. Right. Granddad gonna get one. Hold on, Gunner, hold on. You gotta put the other half in there. Come here.
Let him show you how to do it.
Uh-oh, there he is.
What? Dad, Granddaddy got one.
Oh, come on.
Oh, shucks.
Spoke too soon. Right here, bub, right there. Hey, babies.
What are they doing?
Hey, babies.
Aww.
Ow, where's my finger?
Hi, little darlings.
You're doing bad on my finger there, Jack.
Too sweet. Aww. Yeah.
Where you going, Gunner?
Hello, babies.
We're kind of hungry here now.
Mm.
Hey, Mama. Hey, babies.
Oh my,
Okay, sweetest.
that is cute. Them ears are flopping.
Well, don't take them long to get home.